Hi, next question is find the PD of x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z equal to z square cot square alpha by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants a and b. Here it is given as a and b are the arbitrary constants. Therefore, alpha is a fixed constant. In the question it is given as a and b are the only arbitrary constants. We have to eliminate only arbitrary constants. Now need of eliminate fixed constant alpha. Here the number of arbitrary constants are 2. Number of independent variables also 2. Therefore, number of arbitrary constants equal to number of independent variables. Therefore, we get a PDE of order 1. First, partial derivative of 1 with respect to x. That is, partial derivative of x minus a the whole square is 2 into x minus a plus partial derivative of y minus b the whole square with respect to x is 0. Then, partial derivative of z square cot square alpha is a constant. Therefore, cot square alpha into partial derivative of z square with respect to x is 2z dou z by dou x. That is, x minus a equal to this 2 will be cancelled. X minus a equal to z. What about dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is p. Then cot square alpha. We get like this. Then find a partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y. That we get as partial derivative of x minus a the whole square with respect to y is 0. Partial derivative of y minus b the whole square with respect to y is 2 into y minus b equal to, here cot square alpha is a fixed constant. Cot square alpha into partial derivative of z square with respect to y is 2z dou z by dou y. This 2 will be cancelled. We get as y minus b equal to z into, what about dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y is q. Then cot square alpha. Now we have to eliminate this a and b from equation number 1. For this, equation number 1 becomes substituting the values of x minus a and y minus b in equation number 1. Equation number 1 becomes, what is x minus a? X minus a is zp cot square alpha. Zp cot square alpha the whole square plus y minus b is zq cot square alpha. Zq cot square alpha the whole square equal to z square cot square alpha. Z square p square cot raised to 4 alpha plus z square q square cot raised to 4 alpha equal to z square cot square alpha. Now dividing z square cot square alpha throughout these. Dividing by z square cot square alpha. We get as p square cot square alpha plus q square cot square alpha equal to 1. This cot square alpha can be taken outside. Then p square plus q square into cot square alpha equal to 1. That is, p square plus q square equal to 1 by cot square alpha. What about 1 by cot square alpha? 1 by cot square alpha is tan square alpha. We get the PDE like this, p square plus q square equal to tan square alpha. Here we get the required PDE. Next question is, find the PDE of z equal to xy plus y root x square plus a square plus b by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants. Here the arbitrary constants are a and b. Therefore, we have to eliminate only these a and b. Number of independent variables, that is x and y, also 2. Therefore, we get a PD of order 1. First put it as equation number 1. Then partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. That is dou z by dou x equal to partial derivative of xy with respect to x is y plus partial derivative of y root x square plus y square is y is a constant in the case of partial derivative differentiating with respect to x. Y into what about partial derivative of root x square plus a square? 1 by 2 root x square plus a square into, for x square it is 2x. This 2 will be cancelled. This is p. P minus y equal to xy by root x square plus a square. We get like this. Then we have to find the partial differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y. That is dou z by dou y equal to partial derivative of y with xy with respect to y is x plus root x square plus a square, that is q equal to x plus root x square plus a square. From here we have to find root x square plus a square. What about root x square plus a square? Root x square plus a square is q minus x. Put this equation as equation number 1. Equation number 2. Put this root x square plus a square equal to q minus x in equation number 2. Equation 2 becomes, put root x square plus a square equal to q minus x in equation 2. 2 becomes p minus y equal to xy by q minus x. By cross multiplication, p minus y into q minus x equal to xy. That is pq minus px minus qy plus xy equal to xy. This xy will be cancelled. We get the answer as px plus qy equal to pq, which is the required PDE. Next question is, find the PDE of z equal to a e raised to bx sin by by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants a and b. Here the arbitrary constants are a and b and independent variables are x and y. Number of arbitrary constants equal to number of independent variables. Therefore, we get a PDE of order 1. Put it as equation number 1. First, partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. Hence, we get dou z by dou x equal to a sin by. With respect to x, a sin by is constant. Then partial derivative of e raised to bx with respect to x is b e raised to bx. We get as dou z by dou x is p. P equal to ab sin by e raised to bx. Here a e raised to bx sin by is zd. We get as p equal to b zd. Therefore, b equal to z by p. We have to substitute this value later. Then partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y. We get dou z by dou y equal to, in the case of partial derivative with respect to y, a e raised to bx is constant. A e raised to bx into partial derivative of sin by with respect to y is b cos by. That is q equal to ab e raised to bx cos by. Now we have to put it as equation number 2 and put this as equation number 3. From 2 and 3, we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b. For this, we have to divide 2 by 3. 2 by 3 equal to by dividing p and q, p by q equal to by division ab get cancelled, e raised to bx get cancelled, then sin by cos by tan by. We get like this. By division, this ab will be get cancelled, then e raised to bx also cancelled, sin by cos by is tan by. Here p equal to q tan by. What is the problem in this equation? Here existing arbitrary constants b. We have to eliminate arbitrary constant b by substituting this. B equal to z by p. That is p equal to q tan z by p y. That is p equal to q tan z y by p. We get the required PDE. Next question is form the PDE by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants. Z equal to a into x plus y plus b into x minus y plus abt plus c by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants. Here the independent variables are x, y and t. Independent variables are x, y and t. Arbitrary constants are a, b and c. Therefore, number of arbitrary constants equal to number of independent variables. Therefore, we get a PDE of order 1. Put it as equation number 1. First find a partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. That is, dou z by dou x equal to a plus b, which implies p equal to a plus b. Then partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y. That is dou z by dou y equal to, with respect to y, a minus b implies q equal to a minus b. Then also find a dou z by dou t. Since t is also a independent variable. Therefore, partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to t. Dou z by dou t equal to here 0, here 0, here ab. From these three equations, we have to eliminate a and b. Find the p square minus q square. What about p square minus q square? P square is a plus b the whole square minus q square is a minus b the whole square. This a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. This a square will be cancelled, b square will be cancelled, then we get 4ab. P square minus q square equal to 4ab. Then what is ab? AB is dou z by dou t. Therefore, we get as p square minus q square equal to 4 dou z by dou t, which is the required PDE. PDE of 4 into 1 plus a square z equal to x plus ay plus b the whole square by the method of elimination of arbitrary constants. First put it as equation number 1. Here arbitrary constants are a and b. Independent variables are x and y. Number of arbitrary constants equal to number of independent variables. Therefore, PDE should be of order 1. First, partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. That is 4 into 1 plus a square into dou z by dou x equal to 2 into x plus ay plus b. That is, put it as equation number 2. Then partially differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y. We get as 4 into 1 plus a square dou z by dou y equal to 2 into x plus ay plus b into a. Put it as equation number 3. From these equation number 2 and 3, we have to obtain the PDE. Find 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is this 4 will be cancelled. 1 plus a square will be cancelled. Dou z by dou x is p. Dou z by dou y is q equal to this 2 will be cancelled. X plus ay plus b will be cancelled. P by q equal to 1 by a. That is a equal to q by p. Here we get as a equal to q by p. Then equation number 1 becomes equation number 1 becomes 4 into 1 plus a square z. Equation number 1 becomes 4 into 1 plus a square into z equal to this x plus ay plus b is from equation 2. It is 2 into 1 plus a square into p the whole square. From equation 2, x plus ay plus b is 2 into 1 plus a square into p whole square. That is 4 1 plus a square into z equal to 4 1 plus a square the whole square p square. 4 will be cancelled. 1 plus a square will be cancelled. Then we get z equal to 1 plus a square into p square. Then what about this a? A is q by p. Substituting this, z equal to 1 plus q by p. A square is q square p square into p square. That is z equal to p square plus q square, which is the required PDE. Okay, thank you.